This is Terry, and she comes in on maintenance adjustment. She's been having some neck problems as a phlebotomist and usually responds really well to cervical. Very good. And good. Excellent.
Amazing.
Great.
Wow.
Move your SIs a little bit, even though you worked out today. Very nice. And we're going to turn the other way. Prone to wander. That's your motto. Okay.
And I try to always wander back here because this is where I get the most relief.
Good. Excellent. Just here, breathe, and let go.
Oh my.
Excellent.